I've never seen a place like this before. We have worked really hard at everything that we've done. This phase of life, we have the freedom to do things that we've always wanted to do.
My name's Andrea Daco.
I'm Drew Green, CEO of Indochino. We're in beautiful British Columbia. We've known each other for 25 years. She came after me pretty hard. And,
Okay.
So today, surprised Andrew.
Oh, it's just beautiful.
I've never seen a place like this before.
Hi guys, I'm Tom.
How you doing, Tom?
Welcome to Free Spirit Spheres. We have 4 spheres up in the trees. We turn away thousands of people a year. There's a lot more demand than we could possibly meet.
I've stayed in thousands of hotels. I've never seen a hotel like the Spheres.
They're a structure that really embodies unity. The web of rope connects it to the forest. We're not separate, we're always connected in some way.
The Spheres are incredible. You like waterfalls, right?
I do.
Today was beautiful. We just did a nice hike around the forest and had a beautiful picnic.
He knows that this is what I really love to do.
The best moments are the simplest moments.
I like the idea of celebrating any day, every day. You just gotta embrace the open road.
When's the last time we went away? 3 weeks ago. So hard. We kind of look back at the last 20 years, and we're kind of at this stage now where we really get to make the most of it.
For us right now, everything's about the experience.
And we're never going to forget it. Time is the most valuable thing. The time you enjoy with the people that you love and care about. For us, the next 50 years is what we'll look forward to.